Hi and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, this is DIY Garage, and we do a lot of random projects as well as show you how to build your own race cars. So during COVID-19, we've decided we are going to build this wonderful Chevy Cobalt just to entertain you.
In this video with the cheap Cobalt project, I'm going to show you how to update the look of the vehicle by painting your brake calipers. This is a very simple project and will cost about $25 total, unless you don't have some specific tools. The tools you'll need will be a breaker bar, the socket that fits your lug nuts. A torque wrench would be great, that way you can retighten the wheel nuts the correct way. You'll need a floor jack to get the vehicle off the ground, as well as jack stands to support the vehicle. You'll want some high temperature colored paint, as well as some clear coat to go over it. We got a satin clear and it worked really well. You'll need brake parts cleaner, some degreaser, rags, tape, sandpaper, gloves, and some safety goggles for the chemicals wouldn't be a bad idea. So initially you're going to jack the vehicle off the ground after loosening the lug nuts. Continue to remove the lug nuts, remove the tire. We're going to clean the brake caliper, scuff it with some 80 grit sandpaper. You just want to get all the corrosion off, as well as give it a nice clean surface to adhere to. Clean it 2 or 3 times if needed. Then you're going to tape up the brake caliper and the brake rotor and anything you don't want paint on. So the bleeder valve, caliper slides, rubber hoses, that sort. Remember, when you're painting, to start with a light coat followed by another light coat. Give it time to start drying and tack up in between, and then a medium to heavy coat. Don't be afraid to put paint on it. Most people seem to stop with spray paint as soon as they get color. You actually want a decently thick layer. Probably a little bit more than you'll anticipate, but slowly build it up so you don't end up with paint runs and too much paint. You'll want to let it dry according to the manufacturer's recommendations in between coats. And then once you're finished, you'll want to let it dry for at least 10 hours, so maybe overnight before you need to drive the car again. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please click the subscribe button and help grow our viewer base. Tell your friends about this, and if you'd like to help support us in our endeavor, I have a few affiliate links in the comment section below. Just follow those links, and any purchases made help support the channel. Thank you, and see you next time.